back, my peeps. So today I have a cute little, I'm going to do another Christmas in July themed thing. And I don't know if I'll do any more, but you know, it's fun, so why not? This is what we're going to make. I'm at a different little angle today because I want y'all to see what I'm doing. And sometimes it's hard to see from overhead and things like that. So I'm trying a new angle. So I made him. He has a little scarf on with a little hat and a dollop of whipped cream, which is actually from a mini-verse toy. And there's a Gingy in there, a tree, peppermint. He's mostly like a peppermint themed snowman. He got some chocolate drippings. And he has a little bit of chocolate down there too. And some peppermint candy crunchies in there too. I don't know if you can see that. But we're going to make something like this. I'm going to do a different version. I'm not going to do the same version. But basically what I'm doing is going to be the same things you can do. Okay? And I'm going to show y'all what I did. So let's put him over there. So you're going to need one of these little shells that I showed you guys how to make. Because he's supposed to be like a snowman sundae. Or a snowman like waffle bowl, waffle cone, ice cream thingy. Anyways. And then I'm going to use some classic caramel. Just a drop. Classic caramel from Apple Barrel. That's what I'm using. And need your stencil brush because we're going to dry brush it. And when you dry brush it, makes it look more realistic. See, so I don't know if I like this camera. And it's not like as bright as I want it to be. But we're going to go with it. Got to work on that. I feel like I have a shadow. Yeah, there's a shadow. I don't like that. And I have a light on behind me, in front of me, on the side, everywhere. But anyway, guys, I'm just trying some different angles for you guys. So yes, make sure you just give it that waffle color. And you gotta do the inside too, because you might see some of the inside parts. And we don't want that to show. Just put a little bit more. I mean, I think that's pretty good, but so this is what we started with. This is the color we started with, and now you see the color it turned into more like a waffle. Let me see something. Oh, that's too dark. I don't like that. I don't know if I like this. I'm sorry if I keep talking about it, but you know, when you try new things, sometimes you like it and sometimes you just really don't. I don't need to make it darker, but let's see this. this now. It's a pain. It's a pain. See if I put it like this. Maybe that'll help. Anyways, so if you want to make this into an ornament, it'll be fine just the way it is. But if you want it to stand somewhere, I put 3 of these clear marbles I got from Dollar Tree on the bottom to weigh it down. Because I don't want the top to be top heavy and then it's like, you know, it could easily tip over and stuff. Right now it's like a Weeble Wobble. Who remembers Weeble Wobbles? I made a Weeble Wobble. Anyway, so I'm just gonna take my hot glue gun and just glue these marbles in here real quick. Okay, you could use a regular tacky glue. That's what I did for that one. It doesn't matter. It's gonna be covered up, and nobody's gonna even know that those marbles are in there. But if you want to make it into an ornament, don't put these in there because then it's gonna weigh it down. Okay. If you want it to be lightweight, where it can hang on a tree without bending your branch, you don't need the marbles. This is only if you want it to stand like on your tea tray or something like that, okay? So you're gonna need a couple of toothpicks to hold your round balls, okay? You're gonna need some white clay, which I have some right here. So I'm gonna try to make this like a little ice cream thing, like with scoops of ice cream. Let me turn this hot glue gun off. I do not need it anymore. So I'm gonna take some. Okay, well then, that worked out. My glue gun fell. So you're gonna get some white clay. I think I need a little bit more than this. And you're going to cover these up and fill up your little sundae bowl. Your waffle cone. Just put it in there. Now make sure you cover those marbles up good so you won't see them. And then you can take your brush and give it some texture. Not that it matters because we're going to probably put glitter or whatever on it. So it's not really going to matter too much. Put your texture and then you kind of soften it up a little bit. And there you go. Now we're going to make our snowman. And you're going to make 3 round balls. Let's see, I need a little bit more clay than that. So, this is how I make a round ball. I take it, I smash it, and then I take my 2 hands and I just put like pressure on it and roll my ball. Sometimes it comes out really good. And sometimes it doesn't. But we're not looking for perfection. Snowmen are not perfect. Okay, so there go 1. Now, I'm going to put this down first. And then I'm going to stick the toothpick in it. Okay, try to get that toothpick to go down. Touch the bottom where the marbles are. Okay? And then you're going to grab another bunch of clay and make another round ball smaller than that one. And make sure, I don't want it to be too, so I think that's a good size. Yep, that's a good size. You're going to take it and you're going to put it right on the toothpick and push it down, okay? The toothpick is for stability and also so the balls won't fall off. And it just helps it hold it in place. So because this clay kind of settles and it want to like go certain ways. So this is, now when you put your snowman in the waffle, make sure you get you a good front. Okay, make sure you pick a good front. I think that's good. Now I'm gonna get me another smaller ball of clay and make the top. Now you don't have to make it 3-layered snowman if you don't want. You can stop at 2. It's totally up to you. So I'm gonna get another toothpick, but I'm gonna cut this toothpick down. Because I don't need it to be this big. I just need half. I didn't even really cut it. I have some clippers around there somewhere, but I didn't want to look for it. So make sure your ball is nice and round. Ugh, I just smashed it. Let me see, is that a good size? I think I need it to be a little smaller. This is kind of big. It's bigger than that one over there. So take your toothpick and put it in there in the middle of the second ball. Okay. And then you're going to take your third snowball or whatever. Your third piece of snow, like. And there you go. There go your base for your snowman. I'll put this. We're going to make a scarf for the snowman. Just a regular old I'm not going to use a mold or anything, even though I did use a mold for that one over there. But let's do it freehand and see what happens. I'm going to use, okay, so I used the mold. Let's see, where's the mold? I bought this mold. It's little ice cream scoops. I got this, I think I got this on Shein. I'll post a link to it if y'all interested in that. Now for this over here, I didn't use any molds. You don't have to use molds if you don't want to. Perfectly fine. And I put like little arms on him, but you don't have to put that either. That's totally up to you. Whatever you want. So here go the little scoops I made. They're very small. Because I kind of want to make this like an ice cream themed snowman. And we're going to make, and I kind of want it to like match and stuff. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to roll some white clay into, I think this is too much white clay. I'm rolling it. What? Let's put this one over here. I'm gonna roll this clay right into a rope, and then, oh my goodness, and then I'm gonna get some of the pink. I'm gonna see if I make his scarf. Ugh. Like the Neapolitan colors of ice cream I have here. I kind of wanted it to be like a Neapolitan type ice cream man. Ice cream snowman. Okay. So now I got some pink. Too much pink. I don't need all of that. And I'm going to roll that. And I'm going to put it next to... Or should I put the brown in the middle? Because it's two light colors, right? Yeah, let's put the brown in the middle. Got some brown clay here. I'm just going to put it in the middle. So basically, once you have this, you decorate it however you want, okay? However you want. Once you have the structure down, you can build it, do however you decorate it, however you want. Alright, so I got a little bit of brown here. I don't even know what color brown this is. It's not like, I don't know what color I used to make this brown. But, why does it look like that? I didn't mix it good. It still has streaks of the other pink. Okay, let me hurry up because I don't like when the videos take too long. Okay, so I'm gonna put it like this. And I'm gonna put the pink on top like that, right? And then we're gonna take it and we're gonna twirl it like that. But then we're gonna roll it flat. I'll stretch it out a little bit, try to get rid of some of those little grooves and smooth it out. Smooth this over here. Looks pretty, right? But that's not what I want. I'm gonna flatten it out. But maybe I'm gonna save half. Because I don't need this whole thing to make a scarf. I'm gonna save a piece of it. I'm gonna go like that and save this. A little piece I could put around as candy. Yeah, I think I'll do that. But let me roll it out a little bit more before I put it away. Flatten that edge out. And just put it over here to the side. And then this one, you're gonna just roll it out a little bit. We need it to be a little thinner because it's kind of, see how it's leaning? That's why I put the toothpick in there, because it wants to lean. It's heavy. And, excuse me, still trying to get rid of this cold I have. So, like, try to pay attention to that. And, don't let it lean. Anyways, let's get back to this. I don't want to get it misshapen, so, but I do want it to be a little thinner. I think this is good enough. I'm going to cut the edges off. This edge too. Oops, I almost got it to stick together. Ooh boy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it like that. And I'm kind of flatten it now. Go over here. I kind of want to just start from the top and just flatten it like that. But I'm gonna probably have to straighten it out. Or should I just leave it like that? No. Y'all know I can't help myself. So I'm going to straighten it out a little bit with my little crafting knife I have here. Okay. Now, I'm going to cut the edges off again. Should have cut it off. I didn't think it was, it wasn't really necessary. But this is still kind of thick. I don't want to wrap this around. It's too thick. Should I just cut it in half? Because the scarf is too big. It's too thick to be a scarf. I'm going to cut some of it off. I don't want like a real thick scarf. He's not that big. I don't want the scarf to overwhelm. Alright, I think this is good. Is it? This side is too thick. I feel like this side is too thick. So I'm going to cut a little piece off. I'm going to keep cutting and cutting and cutting until I have no scarf. But no, this is good. So you take your scarf and you're just going to wrap it like this. And you want it to come over a little bit like that. And you want it to hang like this. Okay. And he got his little Neapolitan scarf. You can have it go to the front or to the side. I want it to be to the side. So, I'll just leave it like that. And I added some things to the end of this one, but if you want to, you could just like take, you know what we're going to do? I'm going to show y'all something. Let's just try it and see how it looks. Not too big because it's not that big. Roll a little ball and stick it to the end, right? And then you're gonna get a where is it? Where is? See, I be having ideas and I'm not prepared for them. You're gonna get hold on. A little tweezer, right? You're gonna get a little tweezer. I got this, matter of fact, I got this set from Dollar Tree. And you're gonna get you this tweezer. And you're gonna plug this like this to make it look like it got like little fur or something on the pom-pom. You could flatten it down a little bit if you want. Now make another little ball. Not too big because it's really not a big snowman. And just push it on there like that. And again, just pluck the top, pinch it on the top. To give it like a pom-pom look. Actually, it look like little ice creams, scoops. I know this video might take a little long. I don't really be doing, like I don't do figurines and stuff like that. Okay, there you go. Now you got your little scarf, and we're gonna move on to the next step, which is I don't know if I want to put arms on him or what. Should I? Oh, what the heck. Let's put some little bit of arms. So you just need a little bit of clay. You don't need a lot of clay. Like this much. And you're going to do like this. I showed y'all this before. Then you're going to take your little scissor and just cut it in half. Like try to be a little, you know, try to make it even. That's basically what you're trying to do. You're going to roll it in a ball, and you're going to roll it into that teardrop shape. Like we do when we make the little ghost. Same thing. And you're going to just put, I probably should have put it on before I put the scarf on, but I didn't know where the scarf was going to, the snowman is leaning. He leaning. And do that again to the other side and put your arm on. And flatten it out like that, and now you got your arms. Okay, and you can get your tool to make it look like it's like you didn't put it on there after, you know what I mean? Okay, it's good, it's good. So there you go. He's still trying to lean, but that's okay. He could lean. He's melting, maybe. I don't know. So now you are going to, I'm gonna put some buttons on him, and I have these cute little from Play Code 3. They have these little tiny donut sprinkles, and they also had chocolate chip cookie sprinkles. I don't know which ones I'm gonna use for his button. See how tiny those are? These are chocolate chip cookies and these are donuts. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna do the donuts because I don't know, they're cute. So get you some glue, a dab of glue. Just have my glue here. Oh, here it goes. I'm blind. It's right in front of my face. Just a little touch. You don't need a lot of glue. Just a touch. Get your a little toothpick. Oh boy, I done stuck it to myself. Ay, ay, ay. Stick your button on. Get the next one. Always start with the middle button. And go. I said button. Well, I guess. And then get your other little bit of glue and put it on there. I just use a lean tacky glue. I don't use like what's that called? Like crazy glue or gorilla glue or none of that. This works just fine. And it's cheaper. So look, you got your donut buttons. Now, for these eyes, these are resin eyes. Somebody just sent me these resin eyes because I didn't know what to do for the eyes for his face. And I was like, oh man, what am I going to do? I mean, I could just do dot eyes, but I kind of wanted it to be a little different. So these are the resin eyes that they sent me. It does have a tag on it, and I could try to research it and see where they came from, and then I could link it for you guys. But I'm gonna use these resin eyes again because see something. His eyes look sad though, right? But if you put them like this, can you put them upside down? Or is that weird? These are too big. These are like the perfect size. Right here. What size is this? It doesn't say. It's in Spanish. It says Chico, which is small. So I guess these are the smallest size that they come in. And they have already glue on the back. I think I'm gonna put the eyes like this because I want it to look a little bit not sad. Those eyes look sad, but if you look at them like this, they don't look that sad. So I'm gonna put them like this. I don't know if you're supposed to put them that way, but I'm gonna put them that way because it's my snowman. Maybe I'll regret it later, but for now, I don't regret it. I paid a dent. Yeah, okay. Alright. I like the way that looks because I don't want it to look sad. Like these eyes are made to give that dramatic sad. Like they use these a lot like on gingerbread faces and stuff like that. But, So I'm going to put a little carrot nose. This is taking way too long, but this is what happens when you never make animal, or not animal, but what am I saying? Like character. This is too much orange. I do not need all this orange. I need a really little tiny piece of orange. Like this. And I think this is too big. But we're going to go with it. So you're just going to take it and you're going to roll the edge like this. I guess it gets pointy on the edge. And then you're going to just flatten the bottom. I think that nose is too big. It is too big. So let's do that again. Roll it into a ball and then you're just going to flatten one corner. So it gets into that teardrop shape. Like this. And then I'm going to stick it right on his face. Right there. His, hers. Boom. And then I'm going to get a little bit of pink paint. A Q-tip. And then I'm going to put just some pink on the cheeks. Now you're going to take most of the paint off, okay? You got to be careful because this is fresh clay, so it's very soft. I got one cheek done. Then I'm going to come over here and do the other cheek. Okay. Well, now, for the hat, I'm going to put the mouth, I'm going to put on later when it dries up a little bit. Because it's still too soft. So I'm going to get a little bit of this drip. I got this drip from off of Temu. But you can use the regular old tulip brand that we use. But I'm going to use this because I just want to try it. This is what I used on this. I actually like it. It's pretty nice. But it takes too long to get here, and I don't have time for that. So I kind of want the hat to go on the side. I don't, but I'm going to put a drip on his head coming like this. And then I'm going to come around like this. Because I want to put some ice cream scoops on his head. Like, see, he's leaning. And I'm going to let him lean because there's not really much I could do about that. But I'm going to take some of a piece of this toothpick because I know that there's a possibility that the ice cream scoop could fall off. And I don't want that to happen. I should have made it a little bit longer. Right? He's going to get an ice cream scoop on his head. And then I don't know if I want to. No, I don't want to put white because he's already white. So I'm going to put another scoop. Oh, that one already stuck by itself. Look. Should I do that? I don't know if I should do that. Or should I put it going the other way? Like, stick a toothpick in here. Bro, I can't even stick a toothpick in this kind already. Like that. And then stick the ice cream scoop going like that. Yeah, I like that better. Boom. So he got ice cream scoops on his head. I should have probably put some drip on it, right? But it's already stuck, so I can't even move it. There you go. Then I'm going to put some of these scoops like around. It's already stuck. I can't move it. Once you put clay to clay, that's it. So, I'm just going to build it up like that. Let's see. I don't really want to put white because he's white. You know what I mean? So, hold on a second. Let me put the lid on this. I don't want it to dry out. Okay. So, what I could put right here. What could I put right there? Should I put a white one? I mean, it looks like a snowball, basically. And then I could put another little brown one in there. And then I'm going to put some drip. Excuse me. I'm going to put some drip. Like chocolate drip. Do you like that? I don't know. You see how, look how he's leaning. He's leaning so bad. Yeah, I put some stuff back here so he won't lean so bad. Let's see. I don't really have too many. I should have made more, but I didn't even really know what I was gonna do. So that's why this is why I'm doing this, because I didn't know which way I was gonna go with this. But I think he should have all these scoops. And then I'm gonna just fill it up with some drip. Boom. Look. I like it. He's just filled up with, and look, I've got this little spoon. I have it from the Miniverse food things. I'm gonna put it in his arm like that. Like he ready to eat some. some ice cream. I'm gonna glue it on there right now. Where's my glue? And this is basically it. And then you can put all your glitter and all your I'm gonna put some drip, because you gotta have some little bit of drip, drip, drip. Got some extra scoops left over. I don't know what to do with it. But I'm gonna put some sprinkles also. And I am gonna put a little bit of white drip on it. So this is how I put the little drips. I start like this. I make the big part, the big drip. Bro, this is acting up. What's up with this thing? Done messed up. Do like that, and I put like drip. You can't even see what I'm doing. I got the whole bottle in the way. Then I go like that, and I put some little bit of drips. I'm sorry if this video is long, guys. I've never really done anything like this. But I wanted to share it with you. You can put sprinkles on here if you want, which I don't know if I want to put sprinkles. I kind of like it the way it looks. You can put glitter or diamond dust on it. You gotta put some drip up here. Hold on. Let me wipe this off. I feel like some is like empty right there, but it's okay. Let me see if I can push this down in there. See if I could so it won't look like I have so much space, you know. Just push these down. It seems to be working. So now I'm gonna get me some drip up in here, in this part right here. And of course the top gotta have drip. I need like a tiny cherry or something. Let me see if I can find me a cherry. So I'm gonna take my little toothpick and try to put the chocolate under there. Yep, that's what it needs. Okay, honestly I didn't really know where I was going with this, but I did know I wanted them to make a little chocolate let me see if I find a little round ball to put on there, guys. Let's see, to like make it look like a cherry. I don't have anything right here. Or could I make it look like a dollop? But I don't really have any small pieces. I only have big pieces. And that sucks. But let me hold on. Let me see if I can find. Oh, here you go. I got it. I got it. Got it. I hope it's big enough to look like a cherry. Got these balls. see if I can find a nice, well, it doesn't have to be that big. It just needs to be, boom. There you go. Alright, now I'm going to put some, I don't know if I want to put diamond dust or just regular glitter. I think I'm going to put diamond dust. Because, why not? Hold on, guys, because I want to be able to pick up my diamond dust. Hope y'all like this. I still got to make the mouth. So I'm going to come up here and just put in some sprinkles. I always call it glitter sprinkles. Every video, I do the same thing. Every video. I put in a lot. I'm putting it very lightly. So, let me close up my chocolate drip. I do have some white one over here too. A white one. Should I put a little bit of white on this part over here? Or what? Like a little bit of drip over here. Trying to get it to fit in there so I don't see no space. I mean, it's okay if you see space because there's white. That's why I put the white clay on the bottom. But isn't this cute? Look how cute. Guys. I mean, I could probably do more. Let's try to do the mouth. I have these markers that I was gifted for my birthday. And that's how I'm going to use the black one to make the mouth. I'll post a link to those if y'all interested. Where's my piece of paper? Make sure that marker is working. Okay. I'm just, see, this is the only thing I hate. I always forget about the, I'm just going to make a smile. Because I don't want it to look sad like that one over there. So, I'm just going to leave it like that. And I don't know, I still feel like something is missing. Should I put some sprinkles on it? This is getting on my nerves. Excuse me. I don't know, I feel like the sprinkles will take away from it. But I do feel like putting like a drip around here. How about if I just put like a white drip, like if he's dripping. Hold on, let me wipe this off. Now, I should try it in the back, because if I don't like it, I don't have, oh, look, this is already dripping all by itself. I didn't even have to squeeze it or anything. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm just gonna leave it alone because I don't wanna I don't know, y'all know I like simple things. Something about, let me just put a little drip of chocolate on the spoon. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it alone because y'all not, I like simple. If you want to put sprinkles on yours, go for it, but I'm gonna leave it like this. This is him. I wanted it to be an ice cream bowl snowman, so that's what I did. I hope you guys like it. I'm over here messing it all up because I'm touching the paint. But here you go. I hope you like that, guys. And I will talk to you guys in the next tutorial. Stay safe, stay healthy. Don't forget to share this video, like and comment. And I will talk to you guys in the next tutorial. God bless you. Bye.